Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out magnetic lashes. Now this is something that I have never ever tried before. I actually really hate putting on, sticking on lashes. It's just really hard for me. So I thought that doing magnetic lashes would be way easier. So I don't know, let's see. We're gonna see right now if that's true. I have my magnetic lashes right here, so this is what I'm going to be playing around with today. But before that, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. I am super duper excited to get into this beautiful package, so let's get on with this video. This beautiful package has my magnetic lashes inside, so this is how it arrived to me via courier. So this is super cute. I love all of these details, so let's get into this. These are the contents of the package. I actually ordered this off Instagram from a store called Luxx Lash. So I spent about 1,000 pesos on this. So it comes with, of course, the lashes right here and this thing that will help me put on the lashes. So this is the box. I actually really like the box. It's so beautiful and playful and really young looking. I love that. That's my vibe. So let's open this up. Here we go. Ta-da! These are my beautiful magnetic lashes. Now this one I think is called the Bonita lash. They have a page lash and they have a Bonita one. The page is more natural and this one is the more fluffy, full-on dramatic lashes that they have. So of course I picked this one, plus this one was on sale, so that's also why I went for it. And I really like how the packaging actually tells you which one goes on the right and which one goes on the left. I think that's great, really foolproof, especially since I am a beginner. So if you guys look closely at the lashes, there's actually 3 magnets on it. So there's one on the end, and then there's one in the middle, and there's one on the other end. So I think this will, well, I hope this works out for me. I don't know, I've never really used this, and it's actually my friend who owns the store, so that's also why I bought it. Yes, support entrepreneurs. So that's actually why I bought it, because, well, first I wanted to support her, and 2, I really wanted to try it out. Wanted to see if this is something that would actually work out for me, considering I really don't like sticking lashes on my eyes. So I'm hoping that this changes the game for me, because if they're easy to use, I'm just gonna stick with this for the rest of my life. I have never ever tried magnetic lashes, so I have no idea how to put them on or anything. And I was talking to my friend about it, and then she said you really have to practice if this is really something that you want to do. So she's saying I would not get it on the first try, but I'm really gonna try. So yeah, just so you guys know, if this ends up being a super messed up video, that just means I am not skilled with this. So just letting you guys know what you're in for. Okay, so I actually watched a tutorial video on this, on how to do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. I have my mirror right here, right in front of me. Oh, but there's also a mirror here, which is great. Wait, you know what? Maybe I should use this mirror, because that makes so much more sense. But it's good that I have a second mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Wish me luck. I hope nothing bad happens to my lashes. That's also one of the things I'm afraid of. What if it pulls out my lashes? But my friend assured me that that wouldn't happen, so I trust her. My lashes are curled, mascara is on, so let's start. I'm gonna start with the right. This entire box, I just realized, is actually magnetized because this is really stuck on it. Alright, so I'm gonna lay this here on my right side. Oh, I'm not using I should use this, whatever this is called. Oh, this is cute. Okay, my gosh, I can't open this. Why can't I? Okay, I found it. So I'm gonna put this on like this. This is how I think you're supposed to use it. There we go. Oh, wait a second. This is cool. This is a magnet too. What? Okay, I did not expect that. I thought this would be like cheap plastic or something. So the lashes are there, right there. Let me try to put it. I'm just gonna use my hand. Let's see if this works out. So I'm just gonna place it on top right there. Okay, so this is oh no, I can do this. So I'm gonna put it on top and put it in the right position, and then I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, I think this is fine. Just leave it there. Then I'll get the bottom one, put it under. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is not working out for me, but at least I know the magnets work. Oh no. Okay. Huh. This is a challenge. Oh, okay. Now I see what I did wrong. So I have to put both at the same time on this thing. I'll put the top one first. There we go. Go on top. Please stick to the top. There we go. Okay. So it is on top. There we go. Let me just open this up more as I put the bottom. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Don't fall. Wow. This is the challenge of my life. I just want to put it on successfully, you know? There we go. Okay. This is looking good. So now I just have to, so I basically put the one on top, and then the one at the bottom. There, you guys can see. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm right-handed. Why am I holding this with my left hand? Okay, wait a second. Am I doing it? Did I do it? Okay, way better than my first try, but it's not deep enough. But you guys see the difference? Wow. But this is not the best way. Okay, I think I got it. That's the right strategy, but I have to put it closer to my eye. Yeah, that's what I did not do. Okay, so let's do this again. Wow, this is... My friend wasn't kidding. Like, this is legit practice. Oh no! Look at that! They just stuck to each other. No, you're not supposed to stick to each other yet. Please. This is my third try. I think this is my third try. I can do this! Wow. Things I do for my eyes. There we go. Alright, so I'll just put this in closer to my eye, just so it's better. Okay, I think I have to change my strategy because this is not working. It's just sticking itself to the tip of my lashes. Should I not have put mascara on my lashes? No, I think that's fine. Okay, you know what? Strategy change. I'm gonna do my original plan of putting this on top. And then I'll put this at the bottom. So hopefully this works. Did I do it? Oh! What happened? Oh my gosh. This looks good, right? No, it doesn't. Okay, let me try this again. Wow. This is a challenge. But at least, you know, I'm not dealing with glue or anything. Okay, fine. I guess the best way is to really use this doohickey thing. So I'm gonna do that. Let me just try it without the lashes. Is that how to do it? Let's do this again. Another attempt at this. I hope it works. Wow, how many times have I tried this by now? Please, stay in position. Please cooperate. Thank you. You know, I think talking to the lashes really helps. Okay, now I'm gonna put the thing on top. I have to position it first and then close it together. So let's see. Okay, this one's a bit better, but still a bit bad. I lost the doohickey thing, so let me just look for it. Hello. Oh, there. You know what? I'm just gonna leave that there and attempt the other eye. I'm just gonna attempt my left eye, but I think it's going better than I thought. It just looks a bit weird on the sides, but you know what? That's fine. Let's just go with this. Maybe I'll do better with my left eye for some weird reason. And you know, this is actually, my left eye is actually the reason why I really can't do the whole, what's that called? The whole eyelash extension things, because it's just really hard for me to control. Oh my gosh. Stop it! They don't stick at the right time. Just please stay on top. Thank you. Okay. I feel like now I look really crazy talking to these lashes. This is also very challenging. Did not expect it to be this way. But I'm weirdly having fun. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on my left eye. So I'm going to position it. Okay. I did not go deep enough. Oh, okay, you know what? Maybe I have to look this way. Yeah. But you know what? This is not bad for a first try, okay? I mean, my lashes look pretty good, right? I don't know. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try it again. Well, at least it's easy to remove. Okay. I will try it again. You see the difference though? I mean, wow. Let's do this again. I'm gonna keep doing this until I get it right. Practice does make perfect. Wow. These are legit magnets. I really do like that they stick to each other no matter what. You know, it's like having friends. You stick to each other no matter what. Oh my gosh, please separate. Hello. By the way, I want to talk about the quality of these because I have seen a lot of different magnetic eyelashes, and for some reason this one, the quality is really good. I mean, it hasn't, like, the band's pretty thick, but it's also clear, and then I like the thickness of the lashes. I have to position it and then close it. Okay. Okay. I can do that. Wow, I'm really hoping I can put this together today. If not, well, I'll practice, then I'll let you guys know. So we're just learning together. You know, sometimes I just have the weirdest ideas. I have a good feeling about this try, okay? I have a good feeling. Maybe I need a closer mirror. Okay, closer to the eye. Did I do it? Well, this one looks way better though, right? Wait a second. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, I could improve it even more. Yeah, but this looks pretty good, right? I mean, compare this side to that side. Look at that. Wow. I mean, wow. Let's see, how can I improve on this? Can I still move it? No, I don't think I can. Let's try the left eye. I feel like this is the best I can do. And then I just have to keep on practicing. But for some reason, I find this super fun. I don't know, I'm so weird. You know what? If I don't figure this out tonight, I'm gonna have to do like a special session with my friend so he can teach me, because I feel like this is a life skill that stop. I feel like this is a life skill that people really need to master, and I feel like it's one of those skills that when you figure it out, you're like, what? It was that easy this whole time? I feel like it's that kind of skill. Okay, I feel like this is gonna be my last attempt. I mean, they do look pretty good. I mean, I could put it a bit closer to my eye, but this is way closer than it was earlier, so I think this is an accomplishment already. Come on, let's do this left side. I can do this. I'm just cheering myself on right now because I want this to work out. Man, the left side's so hard. Okay. There we go. There we go. I did it. Okay. It could be better, but it doesn't look that bad, right? Look at that. Wow, this looks... Wow, I like it. I like it, I like it. Actually, my left lashes look way better than my right, which is so surprising, by the way, because I'm right-handed, so this should have been the better one. Anyway, okay, so this is it. These are the lashes. What do you guys think? Wow, I can see it on the side. It's so fluffy. I like it. I'll just give you guys a closer look. I really like the look of these lashes. I think they're so beautiful, and it was actually way easier to put it on than, you know, the glue, and then you dry the glue a bit and then you position it and then it gets off. This one feels super secure, which I love, and it feels so good on my eyes. When I use, you know, the glue on type of lashes, I hate it. I feel like I'm just gonna fall asleep because it's so heavy, it's weighing down on my eye. But this one, it feels really light, and it doesn't have, you know, that annoying poking thing. I don't know, but I always experience this when they do the whole lash glue thing on my eyes. Other people do it on me, by the way, because I don't know how to do it. But sometimes I feel like a pokey thing here, and it just makes me cry, which I hate. But this one, I don't feel it at all. I don't feel any type of discomfort, and it's great. And my lashes look so good. I can't stop looking. Anyway, okay, so this is it. This is the best I can do with these magnetic lashes. What do you guys think? Does it look good? I mean, obviously, I still have to practice, but I think this already looks okay. First impressions on magnetic lashes, I think they're great. I think they're so much easier to put on than the glue and everything, and I really like how it feels. It feels really light, but at the same time it looks super, you know, va-va-boom on my eyes, which I think is really great because lashes actually do such a big thing to your eyes, so it's really great that I can get this look really easily now. But you know what, I think I still need to practice. I'm actually gonna go to my friend, have her tutor me how to do this properly, because I just know I didn't do it super correctly, but you know, it's on there and it's also easy to remove. I love it. I love how it looks. I know it looks a bit wonky right now, but you know what, just ignore that. Just look at how long my lashes look right now. I'm tugging on it, trying to move it, and it is not budging, which is great. That means it just won't, you know, pop off and then I'd suddenly have less lashes on one side. I really love the quality of these, by the way. I took it out and stuck them together and took it out and stuck it together, and it still feels high quality, which I really like, and super love that it's lightweight. You know what, I'm gonna be doing another video for you guys on these magnetic lashes because I really need someone to teach me. Let's learn this together. Also, if you're one of those people who are not very comfortable with, you know, the stick-on type of lashes, or you know, eyelash extensions, the semi-permanent ones, then I suggest you guys try this one out because so far I'm really loving it. I mean, granted, I've just been wearing it for a few minutes. I really like it. Look at my eyes fluttering. I'm really liking this experience so far. I just wish I knew how to put it on properly. But yeah, if you guys want to try this out, I'm gonna link this particular pair in my description box. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!